Welcome to TechiFY. If you're planning to start your own YouTube channel but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how you can create a brand new YouTube channel in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have a Google account. You can't create a YouTube channel without one. If you already have a Gmail ID, you're good to go. If not, head over to google.com and create a free account. It's simple and takes less than 2 minutes. Once you have your Google account ready, go to youtube.com and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. Now you'll see an option to set your channel name. Type in the name you want for your channel. This will be your identity on YouTube, so choose wisely. After you enter the name, click Create Channel, and boom! Your channel is now live. But we're not done yet. To make your channel look professional, you should customize it. Click on the Customize Channel button. Here, you can upload a profile picture, add a channel banner, and write a short description about what your channel is about. This helps new viewers understand what kind of content they can expect from you. And now comes the fun part, uploading your first video. Click on the Create button at the top and select Upload Video. Choose the video file from your device, give it a title and description, and don't forget to add a catchy thumbnail. Once everything is set, hit Publish, and congratulations! You've just launched your first YouTube video. That's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel and get started. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to TechiFY for more tech guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.